chicken, steak, nimezi slice. I want them to be cooked. And then here we have maini chini, and then ng'ombe beef, and then this is goat meat. Yeah. As I said, yo, this looks nice, guys. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to a new vlog. So this vlog starts right after last week's vlog, just right after I've done it, but it will go a long way because after this I'm joining it with every other thing I had planned to do on my previous vlog, but I wasn't able to. So hope you'll enjoy as I am enjoying creating it, and I hope that your week has been fine and that you all are well. Anyways, thank you for being here, thank you for the support, thank you for the love. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Karibuni. So everything has been packed up. What's extra will remain here, and then what's supposed to be refilled put to the places it's supposed to be at. Now on to this end where I want to put everything away and store the ungas, rice, sugar onto the tins they're supposed to be at, and just everything in order. So this is a pantry organization and a little of fridge restock. Yeah. So this is long life milk that I'm placing in the fridge, and yeah, I know it doesn't make sense me putting it there, but since I don't want them to be laying around, I chose to put them in the fridge. So yeah. Supermarket shopping is done. Now next we'll be refilling it with groceries and everything needed from the market or soko.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Trust you are well. Myself, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. I did not sleep quite well because scenarios of how the accident that happened yesterday might have turned out were just haunting my brain. But eventually I was able to sleep, but I slept late, woke up early. But the things that are awaiting for me today. So the plan is to take Pendo to the garage and then take a matatu to town, finish the meeting I had this morning, and then on my way back I will get groceries. So groceries, hata before I forget, nafaa kubeba juu niko na makaratasi nyingi, so instead of buying a new one, I'll just take I'll carry these two. Hii ni kubeba vitu hazina vumbi, hii ni vitu kama waru. Yeah, so let's go to the garage, drop the car, head to town, and then to buy groceries. I'll vlog what I can, but if I'm not able, we will just do a full grocery haul together. As of now, I'm just in this simple black abaya, and yeah, let's head out. I hope today will be better than yesterday. And on your end, I hope everything is good, and if it's not, may Allah make it easy for you. So for now, let's go. Someone has blocked me from there. Nafaa kutoka hapa nipitie hapa, but siwezi because ako tu hapa nje ya gate. So I want my neighbor to come apitie hivi, we see if he can fit here. Tutoke on this end because my block that is done in your area, so you see, cannot pass here. Kuna mtu ameniblock kwa gate na nimeambiwa sio hii plot na naweza tokea hii gate nyingine, but sijitrust kunini. Naweza kuja nitolee na hii side hii ya mwisho.
Hakuna gari hapa?
Hakuna gari. Sawa, asante. Wait for my neighbor. Nione kama nitasaidika. My husband is coming back today. Yeah, that's why I need a man, and I need to know how to perfect my driving skill. But you inakuja with time, so let's wait and see.
A few moments later.
Guys, here we are, we made it. Alhamdulillah for nice neighbors. So the neighbor I just called is directly opposite my house, and nimemzoea. Yeah, but again, as neighbors, we help each other where we can. So at least nimetoka, but I'm late. Masaa yangu imekimbia. Uzuri, I'm not on appointment. So it's not like I'm just, ni masaa yangu tu nimechelewa, but yet nimechelewesha mtu mwingine, which would have been very wrong. And sometimes circumstances are just unavoidable. So right now, tuendeni garage, alafu maybe tuonane town. Yeah. I'm just here to say I'm grateful for nice neighbors. So tuendeni garage and get this car fixed. Na kumenyesha guys. Yo. It rained and it's still raining. I hope mvua itanipata home because Nairobi is flooding, man. Mwenyezi Mungu tuhurumie na tusamehe. So I've dropped my car. Sasa tuendeni hiyo shughuli nyingine. And guys, niko na njaa. Don't know what lied to me nitoke kwa nyumba bila kukula. But it is what it is. We will figure it out by the time we come back. So hopefully nitamaliza hizo shughuli mapema ndio nirudi nikule. Guys, nimeshiba, but it's drizzling na sijabeba mwavuli. Yo, I hope tawa kunyeshi. Cause yo nitanyeshewa.
A few moments later.
I have finished that errand like in 5 minutes. Yeah, something that would have done over the phone, but I had to come. So right now to Rudini home, I would have bought flowers, but I'm not feeling them today. So let us go to Shukiapo home and then we shop. Because no, I'm planning a weekend natoka. Yo, let's go home, guys. Mambo. Ndizi unuzaje? 10 pairs za 40 bob. Moja ya leo alafu ingine za kuja iva. Alafu melon na
tangazo. Kwa yule mtu ambaye hana simu, tuko hapa kwa ajili yako my sister, my brother. Haina haja utembee na lini yako kwa mfuko. Eti hauna simu, unaomba simu ya mwenzako eti uweze
A few moments later.
yeah. Napo ningeng'ang'ana. Asante. Poa. Yo, these are all groceries. Yo, now this week imejaa activities, but at least for tomorrow Friday I'll not be doing anything, so I'll take that chance to rest. For now my friend Firdaus had called me, but nilikuwa kwa matatu zingeweza kuchukua, plus another friend of mine I have to answer her call. So Samira and Firdaus, like alhamdulillah for those friends, they have stood with me in even ways I don't expect, like from their calling to their texting to their checking up on me to them just giving me ideas. You know, like when strangers just go an extra mile to make sure that you're okay. Yo, that's true friendship. And to count that, Samira, we met at an event and then met again once. Yeah, we have met twice. Firdaus, we are yet to meet, but we are planning to meet one-on-one real soon. But there are those friends that wanakushikilia in a way, you feel like they're there. And yo, I'm so grateful to them. So Samira and Firdaus, if you're watching this, you two are my God-sent blessings. And I thank God for you. And I hope I am as much as of a friend to you as you guys are to me. So let me echaneki hizi kwa nyuma, meaning atutoki tena, and then ni rest kidogo as I make those calls, and then after that I will do the grocery haul with you guys. Okay? Yeah.
Later.
Yo guys, some name opposition aje, honestly. Yeah. If there is something that huwa inaniwasha nikitoka nje and then I come back, is the clothes that I'm with outside. Like right now, na feel kazi inaniwasha, so I just want to do a quick haul. I've already rested and spoken to my friends, So I will just do a quick haul of everything I got to zipack juu most of them must go to the fridge and then tujue ni tunapika. So Mr. is coming back today from his trip, so I'm thinking of cooking his favorite meal, which is chapati. So nitaona vile nitakuwa na feel by 3. It's currently 1. So what we bought was I am yet to use my pressure cooker, but I've bought things that hii wiki itabidi nimetumia. Like I want to cook githeri, I want to boil some beans, yeah. Taka kuwa mke nyumbani ile proper. So I have some sweet potatoes and arrowroots. So I will boil these arrowroots for tomorrow morning, but I'll do that tomorrow morning. Yo, it's almost going bad. So I've got tomatoes nitaziosha that will hopefully run me for the next 1 week or even 2. Kweli sikuwa naangalia nikichagua. Yo. Also, I love this vitungu, so I bought these onions. Some lemon for tea, some ginger also for tea, hoho for soup, some, this is garlic, yeah, I confused garlic and ginger. So garlic for sana rice, I cook this with plain white rice, and then hizi vitunguu, yeah. So that. Then we've got, isn't it dania? All of this is dania. So we've got that. All this is inaenda kwa fridge. Some carrots, imagine zote 20 bob. Yeah, so zingine just eat them even ikiwa like raw. I don't like them cooked, but since I'll be boiling beans, zinasaidianga soaking beans in water for 24 hours before boiling them, and then while cooking putting in carrots inavuta gas, so inaweza kosa kuisha the gas, inaweza kosa kuisha completely, but it will most definitely pungua. Yeah. Some zilinishinda, okra zilinishinda, but my man loves inaitwa they bring out, what is it called, they bring out, there's a soup I cook with okra, and or maybe I just cook them with, what is this called, maini, which I've already bought. So I will do that. So that's okra. Then we've got maize. So some boil zikwe njua, like no boiled maize, alafu zingine tutadhandura kesho na mume wangu kwa sababu atakuwa amerudi, tupike navyo githeri. And then we've got this peas which I'll boil. These are warus. Yeah. I don't get as much because Mr. is not a fan. So hizo ni zangu sana sana. I might cook fries. And we've got matoke. So hizo ni vitu za soko. Now to this end, I wanted sukuma kando and kienyeji kando, but she mixed. So we will figure out how we will cook this. So we've got that. We've got ini. I'll have to transfer it. This is blended peanut. I use it to prepare peanut sauce. Ni njugu tu zimesiagwa, so I use it for peanut sauce to make soup for man. He loves it. And then here we've got meat. Na nafaa kubuy dishes ya kuseparate hizi vitu. So this is chicken, this is steak, this is goat meat, this is liver, maini, and then this is kuna goat meat na ng'ombe sasa. Yeah, we've got that. And then we've got fruits. So this fruit, oh, is na mwaga maji. Watermelon. Yep. So fruits hazitakimbia sana. I mean, they not stay for long, but they will serve us for some time. So I'm not planning to go to Sokote. Now, if we need anything, I'll be sending Mr. akitoka either job ama when he's from the mosque. Yeah, so, and then these are my favorite. I really love passion fruit, passion juice. I love it. And then there is more. These are my zingine za kublend. I don't know if today he will take blended juice or fruits. Yeah, and then hapa tuko na paipai nitatumia kublend. Yeah, so that's everything I got from the soko. Let us now put them away to where they're supposed to be. So this is the last batch I have for today, and trust you me, zimekuwa hapa for the last 1.5 weeks, almost 2 right now. So preserving nini in this way, in case you are wondering, yes, it works. So we've got chicken, steak nimezi slice how I want them to be cooked. And then here we have maini chini, and then ng'ombe beef, and then this is goat meat. Yeah.
A few moments later. Later.
Hey friends, so on this end I have dinner prepared. We are having chapati, peas, and peas stew with beef and waru and all that. And then on this end, tomorrow I want to cook githeri. So here I've soaked 4 cups of beans that ntagawa mara mbili. 2 cups I'll mix with this maize, and then the remaining I will just boil them kando, so that I have beans separate and then githeri separate. And then for this one, my man loves boiled maize, so this I've prepared them for tomorrow. So this will soak overnight, and then hapa sasa I want to cook dinner. So I'll start boiling this as I cook. This will not take long because there will be like 6 or 7 chapatis only. So see you nikimaliza. As I said guys, I knew they'll come to 6 or 7. So now let's start cooking, which I'll do off camera, and then I'll show you the results.
1 hour later.
That's me guys. So the next day was Friday and my man was leaving quite early, so I'm preparing this kanzu for him. I want to iron it and then prep him for the following day. So I would have just done it tomorrow, but since he's leaving early, I decided to do it now so that asubuhi nisikuwe na stress. It's something he would have done it for himself, but I love preparing this man. I love when he looks good, because when he looks good, I feel good. Yeah.
The next day.
Hello friends, so this is the following day and today is on Friday, and I decided to cook the githeri that I had soaked yesterday. So here I'm preparing everything all together, mix it, and then use my pressure cooker for the first time. And guys, I've never used a pressure cooker before, so here then the internet will come in handy. So the plan is to cook githeri on the side. That's why here I'm mixing some beans with some maize, and then the beans that will remain hiyo nitapika kando, so that I may have githeri on the side and then beans on the side. So for the beans, I'll cook some in the evening to eat with the chapatis that remained from yesterday. And yeah, that's the plan. So let's figure this thing out, because this is the first time I'm using this pressure cooker since I bought it like 2 months ago. Yeah, so let's do this. After some trial and error trying to figure this thing out, we got it. I had no idea how to use this thing, but thanks to the internet I can see some progress, and I love that it's not itoi ile sound ya pressure inapeanga mtu woga. So let's see after 33 minutes, so it's down from 40. Self imejiseti yenyewe after I pressed hapa kwa beans. So let's see after the 33 minutes remaining if our githeri will be ready, and then put on these beans, which are pre-soaked. So soaked takes less time than the one that wasn't soaked. Let's see the results, but we'll get better with time, inshallah.
Later.
Guys, this year in 2025, I feel like I'm back to being myself, and this is the first time I've done makeup in 2025. So I just finished my makeup. I will do my hair, so I have hair products here. So you can see it's cooling and inamwaga maji, so that's why I've placed that there. So I'm waiting for it nyamaze kabisa, then we open and see if our githeri is ready. 40 minutes later, it's now settled. Now I guess it's safe for me to open. Yeah, and then this looks nice guys, but tuone if it's ready. Kaimeiva. Kuna maji bado. I thought maji inaisha. Acha nionje. Mahindi imeiva vizuri. It's actually ready, guys. Like in 40 minutes. This is quite a save. Acha tuitoe and then tutapika maharagwe yetu. Alhamdulillah for this. Time to enjoy this snack as our beans get cooked.
A few moments later.
So our beans are done in 30 minutes. So is the githeri in 40. So now I need to get storage containers for these cereals that I'll be preparing more often. I then cleaned everything up, guys. See you tomorrow as we go shop for baby, inshallah.
A few moments later.